Do I live in the south of the U.S.? I do not live in the south. Now, here's a clue for you. So if we take the U.S. and fold it in half, I am not in any of the southern half. I'm in the north half.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Is my state bordering Canada? Very good question. My state does not border Canada.
However,
there are two of my neighbor states that do border Canada.
Imamo i South Dakota i šta još? Imamo Iowa nije.
okay, next question.
Does your state border Montana?
Does my state border Montana? That is a very good question, and the answer is yes. It does border Montana.